This video sponsored by Value Testers. Great promo offer on Testo, Fieldpiece, and Bacharach. Free 2-day shipping on purchase of $200 or more on selected seasonal testing equipment. Link in description below.
Alright guys, how you doing? Steve Lav here. It is January 14th, 2019. I'm going to do another giveaway, draw another winner on that giveaway because that guy never responded. He had 24 hours to respond to the backpack giveaway. Klein backpack giveaway, never responded. So I'm going to pick a new winner, and the new winner has to respond with the YouTube channel that won. And what you're going to need to do is just leave your name under your comment and your part of your address, like just your street address, and then mail me your full address, name, address, phone number, and email. This is my email, so I can get this thing shipped out to you. You got 24 hours to respond. If you don't respond, I'll pick a new winner. So that's the rules of the giveaway. You got to respond within 24 hours, or I pick a new winner. So it's Miss Molly here. Little Miss Molly. Everybody loves her. All right, guys. Hopefully you're the winner. All right, guys. We're here, and this guy. It's been 24 hours, and the guy never responded. So we're gonna pick a new. There's the video right here. Klein Tools backpack giveaway. We're going to click on that. We'll click on that. Copy link address. I'm going to go up to YouTube Picker, which I got it at the top of the screen there. Today's the 14th. We're going to put it right in here. Paste. That's the video there. We'll hit this yellow button. There's 500 and something comments. Yeah, 514 comments. And then we'll roll up and we'll hit the start button. That's going to be our new winner. There it is right there. Winner, TG. Steve Lav is a legend at Value Testers. Well, that's the new winner right there. TG. Now, like I said, what you got to do is you got to respond to this video with this YouTube account. Just leave you don't have to leave your full address. Leave me a partial address, and and then you email me your full address within 24 hours, and I'm gonna have it up on the screen because I'm gonna take part of yesterday's video, cut it, and then add this to the end. Okay? So you're going to need to email me your address, and you have to respond to this video with this YouTube account so I can double check that it's you. Okay? So you got 24 hours to respond.